In this video, we're going to show you how you can add custom masks inside of Vertex. In many cases, you need to draw a mask on site, maybe for a projection mapping or any other installation. And then inside of Vertex, we have built a simple tool for you how you can actually draw these masks directly in Vertex. So you can go to the content menu and say add mask, which will generate a mask object in the Project Explorer. This mask object has a texture size, which you can see here on the right-hand side, which allows you to give it a certain resolution you may need. On top of that, we have colors, which you can use for the fore and the background color. So I'm just going to go ahead, drag and drop the mask on the very top track of my composition. There we go. And you can see it's already cut off a few little bits. To do some editing on this mask, I'm going to switch from the canvas view I'm going to switch from my selection to the mask modifiers. And as I zoom in, you can see I have these little yellow points. These are the 4 points of the mask, which are built per default. I can grab them, move them around. I can then go ahead and click this button to add a point. I'll add one on the left-hand side, switch back to my move, which I can now grab the point I've added and move it. Click on this one to add a Bezier point. There we go. Go back to my selection, grab it, and then really draw my splines any way I like. And at the end of the day, I can also click on the mask and, for example, give this a softness, give this a little feather here, which I can move it out. Let's make it about this. There we go. Which I can now have a fully editable mask with softness any way I need. You can use this mask in different ways. As you can see here, I've placed it on the top track of my composition, which will mask everything behind it. But I can also go ahead, click on a certain clip container, switch to the video section where I can then, a lot of properties open, I'll go back to standard, where I can add a mask channel. You can see here, I have a mask channel, which I can add a content. I can simply drag and drop in my mask, and it's now telling me that it's a black and white mask. But in my case, I have an alpha mask, and there we go. Now I have a mask only for this clip container. So I can either add it for both if I put it on a clip container on top, or I can simply add it to the mask channel of any dedicated content I want to use. So I hope you enjoy masks inside of Vertex.